Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Surface 1724 model. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential tools required, the screws you'll encounter, and how to properly clean the internal components. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T8 screwdriver, and a soft microfiber cloth for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Next, let's talk about the screws. The Surface 1724 has several screws located at the back panel and under the device. Carefully use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this can damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the back panel off, we now have access to the internal components. It's crucial to keep this area clean to ensure optimal performance. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces gently. For any stubborn dust or debris, consider using a can of compressed air to blow it away. Always remember to hold the can upright to prevent moisture from entering the device. As you clean, inspect the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything concerning, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring that you get accurate information about your device's condition. Now, let's focus on reassembling your Surface 1724. Begin by placing the back panel back on the device. You should hear a slight click when it's properly aligned. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that each screw is tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping. If you find the task challenging or lack some of the tools, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Before we finish, double-check that all screws are in place and that the back panel is secure. Once satisfied, power on your Surface 1724 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If issues persist, you can always request a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind and transparency about the costs involved. In conclusion, maintaining your Surface 1724 can significantly enhance its performance and longevity. By following these steps and using the right tools, you ensure that your device remains in top condition. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your optimized Surface 1724. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.